Good morning, everyone. This is Abdul Kadir, and today I'm going to tell you how you can activate your ID, how you can activate your sponsorship in Alexa Gaming Fortune. So let us start the video. So here's the dashboard that you can see on the screen. And first of all, what you need to do is you need to update your Tron wallet. You need to update your Tron receiving address, and for that you can click on the option up above, and here when you will click on privacy, you will have the second option, that is the wallet details. Once you'll open the options, you will go to the privacy. There you can see the second option, that is wallet details. Just click on that. Once you'll click on that, here you can see your ID number, and you need to update your Tron wallet receiving address here, so that you can receive the payments directly into your wallet. You can update your address for Tron wallet or your Trust wallet, any wallet that you want. You can paste the address. Whatever you will paste, you will receive the Trons in that wallet. So you need to update this as soon as possible, so that any income generated in your downline, you should get that instantly. Okay, now I will tell you how you can activate your IDs, how you can subscribe your IDs. Just click on the option above where you will have the menu. So the second option from above below the dashboard, you can see subscription. Just click on that, and here you need to click on the first option, that is subscribe. You will have this page. Now what you can do is you have the option of member ID, that is blank. Just enter the ID. You can paste it or you can write it down. Just enter the ID that you need to activate. It could be yours or anybody in your team. Once you will click outside, you will have the name of that person above, so that you can confirm whether it is the correct ID or not. And in the select wallet, you will have cryptocurrency. Just leave it like this only. After that, you have the option of subscribe now. Just click on that, subscribe now. You will have this option of coin payments. You need to click on this option, coin payments. As soon as you will click on this option, you will be redirected to the coin payments website. Now what you need to do is, see here you can see it's asking for 121 Trons. Now what you need to do is you need to write the name of the person whose ID is getting activated. So we can write okay. After writing the name, it will ask for an email ID. You can write the email ID as well. Okay. After writing the email ID, you can write the email ID, or if you don't have, you can just write abc@gmail.com. There is no issues with that. After doing that, when you will scroll down, you can see 4 cryptocurrencies here. So what you need to do is, just forget about others. You need to click on the Tron. Always remember that you need to click on Tron. And if you click on any other ID, your ID won't be activated. Remember, you need to click on Tron and click on the below option, that is complete checkout. Just click on this complete checkout option. Now you will be redirected to a new page. In this page, you can see a QR code, and below that you have an address. So what you can do is, if you are browsing the website in some other phone, you can just simply scan the QR code, or what you can do is you can copy this address, the address that you can see below. You need to copy that. After copying that, you need to go to your wallet by which you want to make the payment. As soon as you will open the wallet, okay, now what you can do is you need to click on the send button. After that, you need to write the amount of Trons that you need to send. Click on next. Paste the address that you have copied from there. Click here, so that you don't need to write any name for the contact. Just click on send. It will ask for 121 Trons. You need to submit the transaction. As soon as you will submit the transaction, Now what will happen? Your transaction will be successful. Once the transaction is successful, you do not need to worry. It's done. Now you can go back to the same page, and you need to wait for some time because this payment will get updated automatically. So you need to wait for some time. As you can see that this page will get refreshed and waiting for some time. Okay, automatically when the payment will get updated, when the transactions, all the transactions will be confirmed, automatically you will get the option of paid. You will see an option of paid here. So you just need to wait for some more time. We'll see the exact process how it's gonna get paid. Once you get the option of paid here, that means your payment is made successfully and your ID will be activated. Yeah, here you can see that we have got the message of paid. Now what you can do is you have the option of continue to seller store. Just click on that option. Once you'll click, you'll go back to the site. Just click on home. As soon as you will click on home, you can see the dashboard that will come in front of you, and you need to wait for some time and the ID will get activated automatically. It won't take more than 1 minute, and that's what the process is to activate the IDs in Alexa Gaming Fortune. So I hope this video will help you to build your business, and I recommend you to recommend this video to as many people as you can, so that they also can understand how they need to activate the IDs in Alexa Gaming Fortune. Thank you so much.